Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rosek here, and today we are going to show you how to put rewarded ads into your AppInventor project using Enhance. So, let's go! Alrighty, here we are at enhance.co. First things first, we're going to click this little green button that says Enhance My App. That's going to take us to the page that we're on currently, where we can see all the different services that Enhance supports. Today we're talking about rewarded video, so we're going to go ahead and click there. You can see all the different services that we support as we scroll down, from ads, analytics, even other things like push notifications and in-app purchases. When we hit drag and drop library, we need to find AppInventor. The drag and drop library is something we need to have included into our project file for Enhance to work. If you're working at a Thunkable or Appy Builder, this is also the library that you're going to want to include. Next one's pretty simple: download the drag and drop library. After that's downloaded, we're just going to go ahead and clear this out of the way because we don't need that right now. We can get back to it later. And now we're asked to upload our fully compiled APK or IPA. So we need to put that library inside of our AppInventor project. So let's head over to AppInventor and take care of that right now. Okay, so here we are in AppInventor. I am not a programmer, I am not a developer, I don't make apps or video games, so I just needed to make a quick little demo just to show off how to integrate rewarded videos with Enhance. So we have a little ads button right here which is called rewarded video, and that's what we're going to work out of today. First things first, we need to add our library to our project, so we're going to go ahead and click import extension, and we're going to choose the library that we downloaded just a few seconds ago from Enhance. And here we go. Enhance.aix is what we're looking for, and we're going to go ahead and click import, and everything will show up right here in just a second. Pop, there it is. We're going to go ahead and drag this into our project file because we're going to need that when we start building blocks. And we're also going to go up to user interface and drag a notifier into our project as well. We'll talk about that a little later, why we need to add that. Let's go ahead and start placing our blocks. Like I mentioned before, we're working off an ads button right here that I created, so we're going to use that one to start. So we're going to go to when, ads button, click, then head over to control, and we're going to add if and then. But we also need to hit this little button right here and add an else, just like that down the bottom. Okay. Now we're going to head over to our connector library and find our calls. So we're going to look for is rewarded ad ready. So we're going to scroll on down here. Is rewarded ad ready. Then we're going to show the rewarded ads. So we go back and find our show rewarded ad. Show rewarded ad right here. Good. Else is going to be just in case there's something, an issue possibly. So that's why we want to use the notifiers. So we're going to go to the notifier, and we are going to show alert notice. Show alert notice. We're going to put that in the else. And we need to add our notice. So we're going to go to the text, and we're going to drag our little text box over here. And we're just going to type in something like rewarded ad not ready. Perfect. Now we're going to move on to when we find that rewarded is ready and we grant a rewarded ad. So we're going to go to our connector, and we're going to go to when rewarded ad granted. Rewarded granted. Go right underneath here. Now we're going to add our notifier. So go back down to our notifier, and we're going to go show alert notice. And we are going to over to the text, and we're going to go find join. And we're going to go to the text one more time, and we're going to grab our text right here, enter our own text, and we're going to enter rewarded granted. Whoa. Perfect. Now we're going to head over to our variables so we can get that rewarded type. So click get, bring it over right here, and get a rewarded type. Perfect. Now it's time to add one more. So we're going to go back to our connector, and if the rewarded is declined, so we're going to drag when rewarded is declined, I'm going to go to our notifier one more time and call the show alert and notice. And we're going to enter our text one more time, so grab your text. And we're just simply going to write rewarded declined. And for the last one, just in case the rewarded happens to be unavailable, we'll go to our connector and rewarded might be unavailable. Go down to our notifier, show alert notice, and grab some text. And now we're going to type rewarded unavailable. And that is all we need to worry about with our blocks. That takes care of our rewarded video button. So what we want to do is go ahead and go to our projects and export our key store. We're going to need this for the signing process, which we'll go over later. After that, we're going to go over to build and save our APK to our computer. Now that we have compiled our APK, it's time to head over to enhance so we can enhance your app. So before we head over to enhance, I wanted to stop and check just to make sure we got our blocks correct. So right now, running this emulator, we're going to go ahead and click rewarded video, and we'll see a little pop-up that says, well done, this is a dummy ad. The real ad will appear once we've finished our enhance process. And it'll check our notifiers right here by showing them right here. We're just going to say unavailable, and you can see your notifier that we put in before saying unavailable. So we know everything works good, so now it's time to go over and enhance our app. Alrighty, we are back at enhance.co. It's time to upload our project file that we just compiled with AppInventor. So I'm going to select to upload. And here comes my file right now. And click continue. On the next page, you can choose your ad networks that you want to work with. You can choose to use ad mediation or individually choose an ad network. Right now, we're going to work with AdMob only because I'm using their test codes, and this is a good way just to show off what we're working on. Alrighty, continue. Now, here's the important part. We want to sign our app. If we do not sign our app, it will not work. We downloaded a certificate from AppInventor, and we're going to use that one. So I've done a few apps in the past before, so mine's stored in here, but right now we're going to go ahead and upload our new one just so I can show you guys how it works. So you're going to choose your file, which is android.keystore. Now the password is a little difficult to find. I've seen it on a few different forums, so I know the password is default Android. So just typing in Android. Scroll down, and we are going to enhance now. Alrighty, here we go. Your app has been successfully enhanced. From right here, we can click and download our app, and another link right here just to go ahead and publish on Google Play, as well as to start again and enhance another app. Alrighty, that is it. That is how to add rewarded video with AppInventor using Enhance. If you have any questions, feel free to hit us up, check us out on our website, and find us on social media at EnhanceMyApp. Until next time, take it easy, guys.